My name is Cecilia Alcerro and I'm currently a student at El Camino College. I was a dual enrollment student at Hawthorne High School with a pathway of engineering. Dual enrollment opened my eyes to my interest of engineering, where I learned multiple different softwares and machinery which helped me explore through diverse disciplines of engineering. Also, dual enrollment helped me boost my university applications. What helped me a lot was that I was learning at a longer pace rather than a shorter pace, because normally with dual enrollment, it's like the same classes that you would take at El Camino, but instead you have a long time to be able to understand it rather than a short time. Dual enrollment has helped me see different careers within engineering, aerospace, manufacturing, construction, industrial. I plan to spend 3 years at El Camino and to transfer to Cal Poly Pomona's construction and management program. Along the way, I'm looking for construction industry internships before and after I transfer. That way, I'll continue building my skill sets formed at Hawthorne High.
Hi, my name is Mitch Midler and I am a professor of computer science at El Camino College. Previously, I was a full-time teacher at Redondo Union High School, and I was an adjunct professor at the college and taught several dual enrollment classes while I was at that high school. One of the benefits of dual enrollment classes is that it gives high school students the opportunity to take more rigorous college-level classes while still in high school. The dual enrollment classes through El Camino College are scheduled on a 16-week calendar, which provides the equivalent of a high school AP class, which is normally run over a full year of high school. Dual enrollment classes allow students to get direct college credit without having to take a final AP exam as required for advanced placement classes. It gives students the opportunity to take a wider variety of courses, not having to take those general education courses which they might have already completed through dual enrollment. This Head Start helps all students, but especially those who may be working or have other family obligations. Dual enrollment is an incredibly important tool for students, and I'm grateful to be able to be a part of this program.
My name is Azucena Gonzalez. I am the Technical Art Design Academy Coordinator for Hawthorne High School and a digital art teacher. I engage my students by trying to make their assignments relevant to the classroom and to the outside world. So for example, right now they're working on VTubers, so they're making their own characters on Photoshop. They get to put into this program which tracks their faces and animates their character. Dual enrollment with El Camino College has really challenged me to think what type of assignments might be relevant to their future. So I'm hoping that with these assignments and these opportunities, they start thinking more career-oriented skills than just an assignment for high school. This opportunity is free and you have nothing to lose. So trust me, it's doable, you can do it. You just need a little push, and I'm sure you're capable of doing it as long as you give it your all and you give it an honest effort.
Hi, my name is Sahara Eras. I'm a Hawthorne High School senior and I'm a part of the engineering pathway at my high school. I originally started dual enrollment at Hawthorne because I wanted to be an aerospace engineer. There was one person at my school, her name was Cecilia, she was always working on machine parts. Those parts were sometimes taken and they were used for actual spacecrafts. I was inspired by her because she was cool. She always knew what she wanted. She was always doing things that sometimes, especially in the media, you don't see that women do. I thought I wanted to do that as well, but after working on my own projects, learning from her, learning from my teachers, I realized aerospace just wasn't something I liked. I like designing. I use programs like SolidWorks or CorelDRAW to make my own designs, but I didn't know how to incorporate that in engineering. But the good thing about dual enrollment is that you get the opportunity to discover what you want without the real world consequences. Once you get into college, you're expected to know what you want to do. But when you are in the dual enrollment program, you get to try everything out that you like, whatever your interests are. And for me, that started out as aerospace, and over time it became architecture and structural engineering. I like engineering and I like this dual enrollment program because I've always been given the opportunity to do what I want and find my path. I want to be a structural engineer because of this amazing dual enrollment program.